guys, it's the summer holidays. You're looking for something cheap and cheerful to do with the kids. So how's about making your very own set of stone mushrooms? Safety first, mask and some gloves. This is the cones that I'll be using in today's video. You can use these bigger ones. Again, these are available online in B&M, probably the pound shop. You'll get them cheap as chips. For the bigger cones, you can use these bigger plastic bowls. Again, you can pick these up in the pound shop. But for today's video, I'm just using the smaller bowls. And here, all you can see, what I'm doing is using a mix of vegetable oil. And I'm just using an old brush and painting that on the inside of the moulds. So that way the stone won't stick to it whenever you demold. Here I'm just getting the mix. I'm using a Crete, which is like a concrete post mix, and you want it to like a runny consistency that you can see there. Fill up your moulds, give it a good tap to take out any extra air bubbles, and repeat the process until you've filled all the bowls up. Because this is a Crete cement mix, it is setting already, which actually is a good thing because it meant then that the cones can actually sit inside. There is a method in this madness, and I'll show you that in part 2 tomorrow. I'm just moving the camera a wee bit closer here so you can see. All I'm going to be doing now is filling up the cones. Same process as what I've done with the bowls. Again, I'll show you in part 2. I don't fill the cones all the way to the top because you kind of want your mushrooms staggered so they're not all the same height. Once you've filled them all up, just give them a wee tap as well, just to take out any extra air bubbles. So that's them. They'll be curing now for 24 hours, a wee thumbs up. And just to finish off, as I always do, just make sure and tidy up your tools. I'll just add a little bit of water in the bucket. And sure, tune in for part 2 tomorrow.